Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add receipt to Walmart account. You can add and install Walmart receipt to your Walmart account using the Walmart app. So firstly open any of the web browser and in the top there this address bar type down walmart.com and enter it. And once inside this homepage of the Walmart, what you need to do is you need to open to this icon here, and from here you need to go to this purchase history. And under this purchase history, you need to follow the on-screen instruction. Make sure you have signed into your account already. And after that, you need to tap the barcode or scanner icon under this purchase history and scan the barcode or QR code printed on your paper receipt. And if prompted, confirm that you want to add the receipt to your purchase history. And that is it. That is how you can add receipt to Walmart account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.